I'm filming this. Usually I don't film this type of crap. I do at my house, but just thought I'd do this one anyway. I got this old crappy scooter here. Bought these new when I was at our old house. I was 8, I think. It was around 7 or 8. Parents bought these for us, and I rode them around for many years. I had a blue one. This is my sister's pink one. The max weight limit's 100 pounds, so I think I'm probably just going to sell this in the neighborhood when I'm done to some neighborhood kid or something. Anyway, it's a couple days before Christmas, so it's a little late for that, and it's used on top of that, but it'd still be a good gift. I mean, look at it. It works. I already drove it after the repair, and it just cruised down the street. This is not right. Nor is this. Well, this is the original, actually. This one here is bad. This one here is bad. This E200 is a completely destroyed throttle, which is how I'm not rebuilding it. Got the charger for this one. This one I had to use, but even though this was my favorite because it worked great. This one works great too. After the repair, now I just got to get it all back together. So you guys can watch me fight and destroy plastic if you'd like, or you can just go off and watch somebody else, because seriously, this is not that entertaining. And this is all the crap I do at my house a lot. So this is the sort of stuff. So now you're in my daily life. How do you like my daily life? It's not bad, I don't think, considering I have a whole bunch of projects, but anyway, yeah, I enjoy this type of stuff. So I'm trying to get this battery in here. I don't really want to break it, but I think I might have to, but it's really good as there's a storm coming. Also, don't be like me and short batteries out. Good, they're not hot, because it's not a good idea, so please watch what terminal you're on there. You can see I had burned that a bit. Any scorch mark on the driver? No. Oh, yeah. I'm trying to bend this down so I can get the stupid tab in this plastic tray, which will guaranteed never come out again. I've got to get the back part extended out a bit, too. I need like 2 people here. God damn it. Stupid screwdriver. Yeah, it's getting nasty outside. What the? Where? Go. Close the door. There's nothing in your way. Oh God, my God. Go down. Screwdriver here. Okay. Sorry for all the cussing. Hope my dad doesn't watch whatever. Fine. Mainly just when I get angry or pissed off, rather. And, you know, kind of just cuss. But anyway, I got this little. It's a little pin back behind the battery. Well, not necessarily a pin, but it's like a bulge. I can't get it over that stupid bulge. There we go. Got it. It's going. I'm starting to think, yeah, this is not a good idea. It's just gonna tear the hell out of this poor battery. Oh my goodness. Oh, thanks. It actually slid down in there pretty nice. It's pushed all the way up to the front. Will this battery fit? That's another big bad issue I'm about to run into. Well, if we do this, well, yeah, it's already a big problem. First of all, the stupid battery terminals aren't reaching it for. It almost looks like it would fit. You know what? I'll unplug it real quick. All I'm wanting to see here is if the battery will fit in this little slot. In which it will, but apparently this top is not going to fit over top of all of this. I got to figure something else out. This is definitely a little bit of a better setup, even though it's not good. It's definitely actually better. So I don't think I'm going to be selling this considering how it looks. I was going to see if I could just compact the back. I was just going to see if I could quickly squeeze the batteries in there and then just, you know, sell it. That's not going to happen. First of all, this isn't even going to reach over. Excuse me. So I really hope I did not leave anything outside. I really better check them. I did. So that's good. But anyway, I got this crap scooter. Still gotta figure, I still wanna get these batteries compacted down in there, and I wanna just bolt the stupid top back on. Just so, not sell it. I don't actually plan to, but, because it's already just completely messed up anyway, you know. It's not factory, it's just piecemeal 2 crap batteries, and this thing's, I can guarantee you it's got a lot of miles on it. This thing was driven a lot, so I wouldn't want to scam somebody. But, you know, I can still get the enjoyment out of it and, you know, have some fun with it. You know, why not? I was planning to throw it away, and I'm so glad it didn't. I mean, this thing's got life left in it. So, yeah. One battery's bad. These 2 batteries are good. And that's great. Now, at the same time, that makes me regret throwing away my blue scooter, because obviously I could have just pieced it together with 2 batteries, and then I would have just had a perfectly working factory style scooter. Unfortunately, that didn't happen, and I wish I did that. I can't go back though, so whatever. But hey, we are getting a good scooter back together now. It's just a shame the stupid casing's too freaking small. Now I'm gonna have a problem getting this out. Or do I need to? Yeah. Unless I can cut a notch. There's no way I can cut a notch that tall. Maybe this. Even though that's a pretty... Yeah, it's a maybe, and that's really, really iffy for that even. If I can just screw the top one, even if it's angled, I'd actually be okay with that. I don't think that would happen either, though. I don't have any room. Let me go ahead and pull this busted E200 out of the way. The hell am I stepping on? It's an old Phillips screw from the E200. Anyway, yeah, see? It's got a support bracket back. Yeah, right where the batteries is at. I could trim that down. That would give me a bit more room, but still not enough, no. Maybe I could just mount like a bracket. Yeah, I could try that. Like a bracket, no. You know I'm too lazy. I'm not gonna do anything like that. I'll probably just use a piece of wood at that point. I'll just get some wood, extend it out here, and find some screws that fit, and there you go. And bolt it down on, but anyway, no. I still need something better. Where is it? Wait, what the heck am I even asking myself? Well, where's what? Anyway. Dang on. Where the heck am I gonna mount a battery? Not on the side, not... Actually, that's a pretty good idea, at least I think. Mount a battery up here. It wouldn't look great, but I mean, it'd work, it'd do the job. And I'd still actually have a nice area to put my feet. I mean, that'd be great. The main thing I'm just thinking about doing is just cutting this stupid tray down below up. Cutting that retarded notch out so I can slide the battery back further. it wouldn't be much, and then that's again another problem. I need more room. I couldn't get the battery to go back into here, this big one, otherwise I could have tried it another way. It's even if I had to cut that and extend the wire. At the same time, that's not that big of a deal to me. I have extra wires and crap I can extend, get some wire tape, it's not a big deal. Yep, again, let's see if we can't. There we go, got it. It's a good battery, and a good battery. Same voltage, same amperage, except for actually good batteries this time. So, I'm not sure why the one has to be 5 times bigger, but. My phone in here? Oh, this is. Well, I was about to say, but I'm recording it, duh. What the heck am I talking about? Uh-oh. I feel bad crying on the battery. I feel like it's gonna destroy it. Dang, I'm gonna tear up this terminal getting out of here. Ooh, that hurt. Okay. Actually, I think that helped it. It crimped the copper down. I don't want to talk about that little accident I did there. Anyway, here's our retarded battery tray, finally. You can see here, we got our big, nasty wire mess that I don't ever want to have to touch. I think this... Oh, it's a little computer, I guess, I don't know. Anyway, I got a stupid bracket here. And that's what's blocking us from getting... That's what's blocking us from getting our stuff further in there. How many cars are... 3 cars in a row go by. That's pretty unusual for this street. Alrighty, well, anyway, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get them all down in here in the first place. It's because we got all this stupid bracket. Well, at that point, let's look into possibly just jamming the big battery in, obviously, and then we can just move on and try to find a better home for the small battery, like up here. Just mount it on top, run some extended wires, and just mount it up here. Same time, I'm gonna need a mounting bracket. How would I mount it? So this is where problems come in. I could just drive it without top, but you know, I'd prefer to make it a bit nicer than that. I mean, I'm usually pretty lazy with making something look nice, but I would at least want to have this footboard so I don't step on the batteries, you know, and get the electronics wet, and probably at that point decrease the life of the scooter. Try to get a couple more years out of it, maybe. You know, I can have a little fun with it yet. Even though I'm 16. But, you know, I just figured I might as well at least attempt to repair it, you know. It's all scratched up now. Probably because me. I should do a better job. I need like little terminals. We have terminals, I just don't know where they went. Yeah. How did I do it first? First I did it like this. Or something like that, yeah. I think it was this. I just kind of extended that wall out a bit there, and I just threw that one in the center and threw this one back like this. Yeah, it was like something like this. Yeah. At that point, will it fit sideways? I highly doubt. No, it won't. And the unfortunate part's not even like, well, okay, that's a marker. There's some extra space here or there. There's none. It's just, it's all compacted in a cheap little disposable way. So I can't just toss the battery in and then complete it and make it look like it's factory yet, which I'd love to do that way as well. This is the wrong top, but yeah, whatever, fine. I think I'm just gonna have to go with the battery going up top. I'll have to run some long wires down in here from the terminals, and I can just hook them up in there and call it quits. So yeah, put this here. I can run them to the bottom, yeah. So I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. I'll tie it all up and then yeah. Have to hook the battery to the top and figure out how to make a mount for it. But that'll be another issue for later, I guess. First, I want to just get this mounted down. Where's my wire? I had some wire. I had some free wire that I grabbed a while back from the trash can. Just probably got all used up from previous projects of mine. I don't see it. A couple extension cords. I don't see it. They got some small wires. These kind of worry me considering how thick the wires are on them. These are just tiny little, pretty, or, I'm not sure the gauge, but it's pretty sad looking wire. I do have the garage key. You think the other wire that I'm talking about is upstairs? Yo. Somebody up there?
Why do I hear the closet door closed and I'm walking up the stairs? Why is it open? Yeah, somebody moved the chair. Somebody opened the closet.
God, you do stupid garage unlock all the time. You don't want to leave the garage unlocked when this does it. Whatever. Worry about that later. Anyway, found this upstairs. This is the curb wire I found. Still here. Never mind, it's just all wrapped up, spooled neatly. And the bad news is that I don't have wire cutters. I just saw some. But why the stupid door wouldn't close? All I do is gripe on YouTube here. This is why I don't film these projects, if you're even still here at this point. This is why I never film my videos. It's because I always yell and throw a fit, like a little kid, because that's just how I am. Something goes wrong, I just get real ticked off, and that's that. Anyway, here we are. I'd say that's good. Just a little piece. I just need to extend it from here, down here. It'll just connect down around, wrap it around there. So there's that wire. And for this one, you'll just have to run down through here. I'd say that's good. Anyway, so I got a couple things of wire here. I have no idea what size these are. Just kind of strip the ends here. Did I just cut that? Very much so, I think. Yes, I did. Great. We'll have to see if this wire even works at this point. Well, doofus, you can go ahead and cut the end. And now you can extend it. Which apparently that's impossible too. There we go. Some stiff wire, man. It's a nice gauge wire too. Just to say, it's gotta be it's a bigger gauge wire, but it's of course a smaller number since that's how apparently it works. At least I think. Oh, dang it. I'm not really in the terms, I just know how to do this crap. There we go. Some trimmed wire. Hopefully that one's long enough after the stupid fiasco we just had. I'll have to see what I can do. Actually, we don't really need to do anything because when we... That's actually not good at all. I don't even know if this is gonna work. This wire, I mean. So, yeah, it's too short. Should have known. I'll combine these two wires. At least I think I will. We'll find out here in a minute. I'll just combine them like this. I'll put some tape on them. I'm not a good wire person, obviously here. But you can try to fabricate one just to save the stupid wire. I wasn't thinking, because I really don't ever do that. I just try to get it done and that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to take battery, I said fold it down, run the wires, put this one over top here. Let me get some wire tape now, because you know, I'll probably use the entire roll. Just about. Oh great, do you have scissors? I would imagine not. There we go, yeah. So I actually put the scissors back this time. That's great. I actually need them. Doesn't sound like it's raining. I know it's gonna be nasty outside, but I'll take this thing for a test drive when I'm done. Actually, I'll probably cruise around and might head down to my grandma's house on it. Not kidding there. I might cruise down the street on it. It's been a few years since this thing's been out on the road. Just saying, it's got some memories with it, you know. Lots of good memories, even when we moved here, so. I'll probably take her out for a nice test drive. Anyway, you can't really do that until I get the scooter going, right? I already did, I tested it, but now we're trying to make it all pretty. Good afternoon. Yeah, I just don't understand what this is. I forgot that I was filming. I wonder if I just said what I was thinking about. It's just a retarded thought for some reason. For YouTube content I was thinking about. I may have said it. I think I didn't. I don't know. Sometimes I think, sometimes I just talk to myself. Just kind of depends on, I guess, the day. I don't believe, anyway, whatever. Aren't you a stubborn one? This piece of wire is not, won't let go of this sleeve here. Not at all. Thank you. Man, that hurt. Finally. There we go. It's not going to stay on here. They've gone around. Oh, sorry, I'm just thinking. I was thinking, as I usually always do, just random crap. Like a YouTube video I saw. It was talking about, you know, Karens. And there was this one about a lady who was like, I'm the neighborhood, I'm one of those neighborhood children watch things or whatever, like the neighborhood protector or something, I don't know. Either way, she would check around the neighborhood, make sure people aren't doing bad things. You know, lots of comments talking about how she's a Karen. Truthfully, I'd say she is, because if she's going around and but at the same time, I don't know the full story behind this. Like in our neighborhood, we actually have a group of kids. I guess they just think they're thugs or something. They go around, they'll cut Christmas lights and all kinds of crap. I don't think they've ever called anyone Karen because nobody caught them. But they go around, they cut lights, they broken mailboxes, and they actually put down the street. They put a firework or some bomb or something in my neighbor's mailbox. They didn't even know the person. They just blew up their mailbox. Kid riding a skateboard with his other buddies following him. So, yeah, lovely. I mean, seriously, at that point, I don't give a crap. People would be calling her Karen, though, for that, you know. But that's not a Karen. These kids are going around and demolishing stuff. Or like that one video that still makes me mad. Okay, Karen. And they're trespassing on this woman and man's property. First of all, it's their property. Come on, kids. Think about it. You're trespassing. It's their property. Why do you think you just have the right to just trespass now? I'm just saying. I mean, seriously. It's just one of those things that just bothers the crap out of me. Anyway. This one's wired. So now we can push this dumb battery. Now it's even bigger than before. Yeah, see? And so, I've been filming for 28 minutes. This is not going to be a good video now, is it? I myself want to get done, and I'm sure half people aren't watching. If somebody is, that's nice of you. I do thank you. Yeah, listening to my dumb stories, and really anything else I talk about. If I can just. The heck? Please get out of there. I don't need to crush that. The stupid thing isn't going in. Slide the battery back a bit here. And try to pry around here, I'd say. It didn't move back much, so I don't think this is going to make too much of a difference now that I have a gigantic wire sticking out of the battery. And the bad news is I can't just tap it with a hammer real quick, as I usually do with anything. You know, like... Now it can go in. If I can just get it in. Now it won't give me the screwdriver back. at that. Oh no. No, no, no. That hurt. There. Whew, man, that was a tight squeeze. But that should be good. Wired up. And see. Also, you can reverse the battery, so that means we can just wire it like that. This one. Actually, no, yeah, we still have to run. Okay, so never mind. This one would have actually probably been fine with its, no, yeah. Either way, I had a long wire. It's actually kind of a shame there isn't a wire dangling over here. That'd be a good support point for me anyway. Just get this battery in. I'll just run it over here. I'm just a lazy guy, really. I just want to get this scooter together. That's it. That's my main goal at this point, is to see the scooter all put back together. So now we can just spin this wire, and if you can see it, I'm just twisting the wire. I'm touching the wire with this black wire, which the black wire is running to the red port, I think, and the red plug, rather. So now we can just, that's not fall, yep. It expose a bit of wire on our little wire here. Kind of bend it this way. I don't know why it's always so hard to get these stupid wires off here. These ends. There we go. Yeah. Combine the wires here. Now that we have a bigger area, we can just twist them right on each other. Twist it. Now that that's done, I'll just wrap it all around one. This is the brake line. That's what that is, I think. I lost the wire to it. Not sure what the heck I did with that. There's the scissors. Maybe under here. Oh, there it is. Yeah. So it's got to be close. I'm like, I didn't get up, or at least I don't remember. Yeah, so let's get a small piece here. This is how I spend my Christmas break. As I really do any night. I don't study for tests as I should, but I really should. I think I probably just do fine. I used to. I still do. I mean, I do fine in my grades. I can definitely do way better than I do. I mean, I get B's, I get C's, but I'm not even sure why I'm sharing my personal life here, but anyway, yeah, here's my little handiwork. I just tied it up around there with some wire tape. That actually looks pretty dang sweet. It'll crimp around there. That'll look pretty good, actually, at least I think. And then I'll run a wire out there and I'll just put it all together. I'll make sure it works, then I'll screw down the top cover, and yeah. 34 minutes. I'll try to get done at least by 45, hoping a little bit earlier too, just so I can have some fun anyway, you know. My phone is balancing on the very edge. I'm not even sure why. I'm just, anyway, whatever. It falls down, and I'll have to just pay the price. And then that'll be my another project. And it'll all be caused by this cheap, stupid scooter repair. But then I'll have to buy a battery, or not battery, a phone screen for my phone and replace it myself. Probably be about 50, 60 bucks. I don't know how much those displays are in the iPhone XR. All I know is we recently upgraded, which I was fine with my iPhone 6 Plus. I didn't see anything wrong with it. It was a little bit slower than this. I mean, it's nice. This phone here. I got scissors. How was this gonna do it anyway? Those scissors are too nice. I'm not gonna do that. There we go. This is my free wire, so only thing that's really costing me is called time, because time is pretty much your money as well as lifetime. But I'm having fun with it. May not make the greatest YouTube video, I don't know, but yeah, I'm having a little bit of fun here, and it's not like I'm making money on YouTube, and nor do I really plan to. I just kind of like to, hopefully, you know, help other people out, or just kind of make their day a little better, maybe. I don't know. Hopefully that works with people. I wonder if I can poke this down in here. No, not really. Need like another plug almost. Don't know what. This, yeah, I can just jam that up in there like that and it'll work fine. But for this, I gotta somehow get around that and pin it nice and tight, you know? Which that's going to be a bigger problem here in this case. It's a shame today is getting extremely cold, and it's supposed to stay this way now, and it was beautiful earlier today. It's just a shame, I mean, considering how fast the weather changed. It's not unusual, but you know, just a little depressing. I know I said I would test it before I do this, but I'll just, you know, sometimes I just like to do this as well. Okay, we'll find out if it works when we get it together here, right? Well, not necessarily. I'm just going to go ahead and put on a couple of the main screws here. This one's got like a sliding area, so I just want to get those in there a little bit. Back here is the main area that it's got to bolt down into. It's not going in, so that's already not a great sign. Gotta pull it here back a bit. So got that nice tight. I think I dropped a screw, not for certain. No, I didn't. I'll just grab this one from here and move it back here for now. I'll grab the other one and put it in that place. I just want to have a couple of them to support the back. And then of course, bolt the front down. Hopefully that terminal stays in its spot as it should. I'll see the results here in a moment. Is it going in? Yep. Oh, it got caught under there. It can force on it a bit. I mean, it doesn't bother me. There we go. Just bend at an angle. And I'll have to figure out how to strap that down. The wires. Again, like before, I just twisted a bit, and then I just put my hair right in the camera. Sorry. There we go. Yep, we got power, plenty. Okay, now you just gotta strap that down somehow. Actually, that would probably be better like that. Or like it. Oh, wait. That would be better. Now we're figuring things out. There's a rubber band over there. I highly doubt a rubber band is going to be able to support a battery. It's fairly heavy for, I mean, not really that heavy, but you know, for a rubber band, yeah. And then I gotta slip the stupid thing around the handlebar. I don't know how well it's going to support. Not well at all already. I mean, I just barely bumped the stupid battery, and imagine going down the road with a freaking rubber band holding on the thing. It's not gonna be holding it too well. Besides that stupid, yeah, dang on, that thing keeps hitting my hand. And something, but just get this stupid thing under here. We just mount it flat, whatever. Okay, good. Scooter still has power, it says. So I just want you to jam this thing back in there. Just try to strap this crap battery back down. The freaking rubber band idea is not good. I'm gonna have to make a mount or something. Get the rubber. Yeah, forget the rubber band idea. Somebody's hammering on something. It's raining outside anyway, whatever. You do what you want to do. This is from the E200. Just noticed it on the floor here. It's like right under the battery, so it doesn't rattle in the case. Well, it's not really grippy, unfortunately. If it was grippy, then a light rubber band and a little bit of traction may have actually done the job for this thing. Duct tape might do the job, but I don't know. Probably gonna stand about here, right? As long as it's got plenty of power. It did already. I said I'm going to zoom and I'm going to drive that thing with plenty of power. It's pushing me across. Now I'm going to tie it down. I need something that can truly tie it down or something, so it doesn't go sliding off in the road. I've got no idea what the heck I can do to mount this battery down. I don't have anything. I've got a super rubber band. Trying to think, towel, no cloth, no. Here's another rubber band. You know what? As retarded enough as this restoration is, turn off that voltmeter. I was testing the batteries to make sure they were good earlier, and I found the two suspects. Well, the one battery in the E200 is literally leaking acid. This one was just, I tested it, and the one was just super, super low on voltage, and that was that. The one that had acid oozing out was, of course, even lower. Actually, that's good. It's definitely a bit loose, but yeah. Alrighty. Here, I'll show you how strong it is. Yeah, it's got It's got plenty of power. So anyway, I thank you for watching. This is the final product for now, and I can eventually update you if you're curious, but here's this stupid long video, and anyway, thank you for watching. I'll go ride this around and have a bit of fun in the rain. Bye.